Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will walk you through how to transfer field data from one tractor to another. To do this, we will generate a file in ISO XML format, containing all the necessary information: field names, client details, farm names, guidance lines, obstacles, markers, and worked areas. This file will then be exported to a USB drive. Start by inserting a USB drive into the terminal and confirming the pop-up that appears. Next, go to the guidance page and access the field library. Once in the library, click on the field name displayed at the bottom to switch to List View. In this view, select the pencil icon located at the top right. Then click on the icon with two floppy disks to open the Export tool. Select the fields you wish to export by checking them one by one, and then confirm your selection by clicking OK. At this stage, an ISO XML file has been generated on the terminal. In this page, select Task Data from the drop-down menu. On the left column, you will see the zip file titled task.agi, etc. that was created earlier. Select this file and use the transfer arrow left to right to copy it onto your USB drive. Once this step is complete, the file is now saved on your USB drive. You can safely remove the USB and jump into the other tractor. Now, insert this USB drive into the terminal of the second tractor. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to directly access the USB transfer menu by clicking on the USB icon with an arrow. From this menu, select the file on the USB drive and transfer it to the tractor terminal by clicking the transfer arrow. Once the transfer is complete, the fields and their data will be visible in the field library on the guidance page. And that's it. Your field data has been successfully transferred from one tractor to another. Now it's your turn to try.